I'm good with it.
Okay, good. All right, let's move on. Now, this is a very important topic here too. Solve for a variable. So here they give you minus 7y squared plus wy minus x equal to 0, and they're asking you to solve for w. I don't know how many of you got the chance to look at the copy of the take-home test number 1. Now, take-home test number 1 contains some of these similar problems. And then I don't want to spend time going over the solution to those because all the solutions are already posted on YouTube. So go ahead and click on the solutions for those. You really need to master take-home test number 1 before you come to take the test next time. So those are the ones that you really, the source that you have for preparing for the exams, on-campus exams. But like I said, these type of problem would help you with final exam, which is the form that you will see at the end of the semester. To solve for w, what we need to do is to isolate w. So here I'm going to color this in red. This is what we're solving for. So in this case, I have to eliminate all the other variables. Can somebody tell me what would be a first step here? Anyone? What would be a first step of solving this for w? Grab the mic and tell me.
Do you have to do the solve for the exponents first?
No, you want to solve for w, so you want to isolate w. You want to have w all by itself. Can somebody give me an idea how to do that?
You can add 7y and add x.
Very good. So I can eliminate this term here. I don't need this term on the left-hand side. So if I add 7y squared to both sides of the equation, I would get in the left-hand side of the equation, I would get wy minus x, and then on the right-hand side of my equation, I get 7y squared, kind of moving that negative 7y squared from left to right this way. Very good. What would be the next step, anyone?
Add x to both sides?
Yeah, we don't need this x. So if I add x to both sides of the equation, then I would get in the left-hand side of the equation, I would get wy. In the right side of the equation, I have 7y squared plus x. Very good. So can somebody tell me how to solve for w?
Divide?
Yeah, we just have to eliminate this y.
Divide by y?
Very good. So because this y is multiplying the w, if I divide both sides by y, then I have w then is equal to 7y squared plus x over y, and which one would be my right choice here? A, B, C, or D? What's that?
B.
B? Well, no.
C.
B is of x at the bottom of the fraction.
Oh, I'm sorry. You're right. A.
A.
No,
I have. Is it A? No, A is a minus front of it. I can't.
A just turned around.
A has a minus on it. Which one? So there's no minus here.
Divided
I don't want this minus. I don't have it. So which one?
C. Like I said, x plus 7y squared.
Yeah, C. So yeah, they just have this as x plus 7y squared, which is the same thing I have. I just move those around. So that would be C. Does that make sense?
Yes.
The correct answer would be C. Any question, anyone, on this?
Yes. Why would it be C? Because C has an x plus 7y too. why would they put the X there when it's supposed to be just, it seems like it would be more B than anything because it has 7y2.
Okay, first of all, it cannot be B because at the bottom of the fraction you have X here. Here you have Y. For sure it's not B.
Okay. All right.
Okay, but it is C because X plus 7y squared is the same as 7y squared plus X. Isn't 2 plus 3 the same as 3 plus 2?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, what property would just a question to everyone. What property would allows me to say 7y squared plus X is equal to X plus 7y squared? There's a name for that property. Anybody remember the name? Commutative property of addition. Remember that? Yeah, somebody typed it. Type it for me. It says commutative property of addition. Vanessa did the same. Yeah. So commutative property of addition would allows me to switch the terms around for multiplication and addition. So for sure is C. Are we good with that one, everyone?